Super tips about better affiliate marketing strategies. You can find a lot of products online, from HGTVs to ebooks on Spanish recipes and everything in between. Marketing these products to people from the companies that make them is a great way to earn a good living. Being an affiliate marketer is a popular career in high demand, and we will discuss some ways you can market products in this video. Use anticipation to build desire for your upcoming products. Preemptive marketing about the launch of a new product or service can build a need from a want. When used properly, this kind of marketing can drive massive amounts of traffic to your new product, which increases your sales positioning tremendously. Make sure to allow for time to work on your site, especially early on. All affiliate marketers have a goal of owning a work-free site, but getting there takes time. In the beginning, spend some time developing your graphics, updating your design, and doing some research. You'll see a better payoff in the end. If you want to make more money, diversify the products that you sell. You can find a selection of products that a particular niche would be interested in and then focus your advertisement towards this niche. Another option could be to reach out to different niches. Both of these methods have been proven, and you should find what works best for you. With the vast array of products to choose from online, it's easy to get your foot in the marketing door, but stepping all the way through is another matter entirely. In this video, you learn some ways in which to take your marketing efforts to the next level. Don't forget to use these tips on your path to success and to always work to improve your web presence. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.